Sedation dentistry and general anesthesia. What are three key differentiating factors between sedation dentistry and general anesthesia? So when you have patients coming in with a lot of dental treatment required, or they are very apprehensive of getting the dental treatment done, we generally suggest sedation dentistry to our patients. So when you say sedation dentistry, they have a lot of questions or concerns about the safety of sedation dentistry and get confused between general anesthesia and sedation dentistry. So in this video, let me explain three key differences between sedation dentistry and general anesthesia. This is Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry, running our dental centers at Chennai, Raja and Amalapuram since the year 2001. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel Pearls Dentistry. We've got every day a new video coming out. So now let's get into this video. So what is this difference, main differences? In sedation dentistry, the plane of it's called otherwise called sleep dentistry. So the patient is only in a sleeping state, whereas in general anesthesia, patient is in an unconscious state. So difference between a sleeping state and unconscious state is, in a sleeping state we call it conscious sedation, where patient is still arousable. So when we speak to the patients, when you ask a question to the patient, even though patient is only a sleeping dreaming state, they will be able to respond to us. In general anesthesia, patient by design of general anesthesia, patient is very unconscious or unresponsive. So when you ask a question to the patient, when you're able to ask them a question, they won't be able to respond back. So this is one of the key difference between sedation dentistry, where patient is only in a sleeping state, and general anesthesia, where patient is in an unconscious state. This is one key difference. The second key difference is, in sedation dentistry can be done as a routine outpatient procedure. Sedation dentistry is also done with an anesthetist in hand. We always have an anesthetist in the clinic who will monitor the sedation process through the procedure. It can be safely done as an outpatient procedure. So you can walk into the dental clinic, get the procedure done under sedation, and then you can get up and then walk back to your car, sit in your car and then drive back. Not drive back home. Somebody else has to drive you back home because you're still sleepy, but it can be done as a routine outpatient procedure. Whereas general anesthesia will require an hospital admission and a discharge, and it can't be done in a dental clinic setup. You need to have an OT setup or an operation theatre setup to administer you general anesthesia. So this is the second key difference between sedation dentistry and general anesthesia. Third key difference is, in sedation dentistry, even though the patient is sleeping and patient is getting the dental procedure done, for pain management of pain control, we give local anesthesia because the patient still is arousable. So we give local anesthesia for the patient, and then so the pain management is done by local anesthesia. So the reason I am saying this as a difference is because the patient is not in a very deep unconscious state, they are only in a relaxed sleeping state. Whereas in general anesthesia, we will still be able to do a procedure without local anesthesia. We prefer to give local anesthesia just to get a good field of operation, but it is still possible to do it without local anesthesia because patient is in an unconscious, unresponsive state. So these are the three key differences between that. One, sedation dentistry, patient is only in a sleeping state, and two, it can be done as an outpatient procedure. Three, for pain management, we still give local anesthesia for it. I hope this video helps you to understand the difference between the two processes, which are completely different. If you found the video useful, do hit the like button and then share this video with people you feel that is going to be useful, and do subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry. Bye bye and thank you.
Do you like the video? Press the like button. Do subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive such videos. Thank you.